this video, we'll train TJBot to wave its arm. In the Node-RED editor, drag an inject node from the node palette onto the canvas. Double-click on the inject node and give it a name, Wave. Next, drag a wave node from the palette onto the canvas. Double-click on the wave node to configure it. Click on the pencil icon to the right of the bot drop-down menu. The wave node uses a servo to move the arm. Tick the checkbox to enable TJBot to use a servo. There are several positions a TJBot arm can move: arm back, lowered, and raised. Wave completes the movement of raised, lowered, raised. Connect the nodes together and click on the Deploy button in the top right corner of the Node-RED editor. TJBot waves its arm.